Howdy-ho everybody, and welcome to today's Thankalicious adventure. For today's adventure, I went to WAHLBURGERS and also decided to wear a turkey on my head. WAHLBURGERS is a fast food restaurant and bar that serves different specialty burgers and fast food. I decided to try their Thanksgiving burger and sides, some of their specialty drinks, and as a special treat, I went and got the Jones Turkey and Gravy Soda made for Thanksgiving. Please hit that like and subscribe button so I can bring you more fun and entertaining content. And if you comment on this video, I'll enter you in my $50 giveaway, which I'll choose when I reach 1,500 subscribers. Now hit that like and subscribe button, and let's get started on today's fun adventure. I went to my local mall food court where they just happened to have a WAHLBURGERS.
WAHLBURGERS.
WAHLBURGERS is owned by Chef Paul Wahlberg and his brothers Donnie and Marky Wahlberg, who you've probably seen in music videos and TV.
It's happening, baby.
This is a specialty burger joint and bar with specialty food and drinks. As I entered WAHLBURGERS, I noticed that they were selling some merchandise. Spread love, mom's favorite, baby clothes, I guess that must be for Donnie.
Surprise! Baby.
Baseball hat, Donnie's favorite, more Donnie's favorite. Well, that's interesting. As you look around, there's some nice green seating, sports TVs, and the bar where people like to get drunk and drink the barrel. Oh, do they like to get drunk? Looking at the WAHLBURGERS menu, we have different types of starters: fried piccolo, buffalo bites, barbecue chicken tots, famous hamburgers of all kinds, and sandwiches. Signature side, bacon mac and cheese, salads, extra toppings, that sort of thing. Kids meals, different shakes and floats, the standard beverages, and of course, the draft bara, hand-selected wines, and alcohol for the adults. I, of course, got the Thanksgiving burger, which was $13, that consisted of ground turkey meat, both white and dark meat, a cranberry sauce, stovetop stuffing, butternut squash, and mayonnaise. I also topped that with the thin, crispy onion straws for $4.29, which were real onions that were battered and seasoned. Now let's give this turkey a taste. This is pretty good. I can taste the turkey, the stuffing, the squash equally, so you can taste everything equally. It's pretty good. The patty is pretty tender, and it's a decent roll that tastes like a good, sort of slightly buttered roll. This is a really good sandwich. It's really unique, and I definitely would try it again. I think I'm probably going to give this 7.5 turkeys
Too fancy.
out of 10. Next, I tried the thin, crispy onion straws. These are pretty good. They are real onions, they are thin, and they are crispy. The batter's good, and these are heavily seasoned. So if you don't like the taste of salt, you might not like this. But I like the heavy salt taste, and I think it's a perfect accent to go with my turkey burger. I think I'm going to give these onion straws 8.5 turkeys.
You are my favorite.
Out of 10. I got the menu again and decided to look at their desserts, and decided to look at the adult shakes. There were 2 of them, birthday cake and s'mores, and they both had alcohol inside of them for drunks. I decided to try the birthday cake shake, which consisted of vanilla ice cream, Pinnacle vanilla vodka, cream de cacao, vanilla frosting, whipped cream, rainbow sprinkles, and this was $10. The first thing I noticed that made me mad was I didn't have any whipped cream, but I decided to eat the candy on the side. This is pretty good. It was a frosting with some jimmies on top of it. Now let me take a drink. This is an okay drink. It's not as sweet or as strong as I'd like it to be. So I wish it was sweeter. I wish it tasted more like ice cream. I can taste a little bit of vodka. It's not overpowering. It is smooth and creamy. The vanilla could also be stronger. This is a decent shake. Plus I'm also mad they didn't give me my whipped cream and cherry. So because of that, I'm gonna give this drink 5.5 turkeys
To get up and smack you.
out of 10. Lastly, as a special treat, I picked up a bottle of Jones Special Edition Turkey and Gravy Soda. Let's give this a taste. This didn't taste as gross as I thought it did. It tastes sort of like caramel and butter, so it's sweet caramel and butter. That's the main flavor. Then you have an aftertaste that tastes a little bit like gravy on top of some cardboard. So if you like that kind of flavoring, then you're really gonna like this. This wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. And because it's so fun, different, and unique, I'm going to give this 7 turkeys out of 10. So that was my review of WAHLBURGERS Thanksgiving Burger and Shakes, and also Jones Special Edition Turkey and Gravy Soda. Please hit that like and subscribe button out to really help me out, and comment below whether you like this video. If you do, you'll be entered in my $50 giveaway, which I'll give away when I reach 1,500 subscribers. Thank you for watching, and have a happy Thanksgiving. Bye-bye.